There's a new way to flash the Audi RS3, and it's with this, the AutoTuner One. It's a simple and convenient way to tune the RS3 with your smartphone. We sell it exclusively to tuners who bundle it with their tune and ship it all over the world. Let's assume I'm the owner of this RS3, I have my ECU unlocked, and I'm ready to get a tune. On my vehicle, we can read both the calibration and the application software. Not only can I get more power, my tuner can write advanced features like map switching, flex fuel, rolling anti-lag. I can also live chat with my tuner, scan fault codes, and data log. This is very useful when we're making a custom tune. When I received the One, I received this card that has a QR code on it. I'll download the MyFlasher app by scanning that code. Next, I'll plug in the One and follow the steps on the screen. First, we'll read the file from the vehicle and we'll send it to the tuner. Now let's assume that I'm the tuner. I need to log into the AutoTuner cloud and I'll see the entire interaction with my customer. All of the chats, all the files that we sent back and forth, everything is in one convenient location to make it easy for the tuner to find all the information he needs. The tuner can tune with whatever software he wants. We do not lock them into any ecosystem. The One takes a raw binary file. There's no subscription, there are no credits, they never pay again, and they're never locked down. They don't even need to own an AutoTuner tool, but of course, they should. When the tuner finishes the tune, I'll receive a message on my phone. Now I can flash the ECU and have some serious fun.